Have you been looking for an all-natural way to improve your skin? Well, nature has provided us with an amazing solution. There are certain foods that can have a profound impact on our skin, working from the inside out to create a radiant and youthful complexion. In today's video, we will reveal one such food that holds incredible power to transform your skin. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. And don't forget to give this video a like if you find it helpful. So without further ado, let's uncover the secret to unlocking healthier and more beautiful skin. Are you tired of battling acne, wrinkles, and dullness? Then this video is the game changer you've been waiting for. We will delve deep into the science behind how this superfood can work wonders on your skin and share some easy ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. So grab a notepad and get ready to discover the secrets to achieving flawless skin. You may be surprised at just how simple it can be. But first, why is it important to take care of your skin? Our skin is the largest organ in our body and acts as a protective barrier against the environment. It is essential for regulating body temperature and for fighting off infections. When we eat processed foods, our skin suffers. A poor diet can lead to dry, flaky skin, acne, and other problems. On the other hand, eating whole, unprocessed foods can help improve skin health and reduce the risk of skin problems. It is also important to note that our gut health has a major impact on our skin health. When our gut microbiome is unbalanced, it can lead to inflammation and skin problems. Eating fermented foods can help improve gut health and balance the microbiome, leading to better skin health. So now you know why taking care of your skin is so important. Let's move on to the main topic of this video, which is revealing the one food that can transform your skin. The truth is, there are many different foods that can help improve skin health, each with its own unique benefits. Some common options include avocados, sweet potatoes, spinach, and almonds. However, today we will be focusing on a lesser-known superfood that can truly work wonders on your skin. Are you ready to unlock the secret? It's time to introduce you to moringa. Moringa is a nutrient-rich green leafy vegetable that has gained popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. It is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an ideal addition to a healthy diet. Moringa is particularly known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce skin inflammation and soothe irritated skin. It is also rich in chlorophyll, a compound that can help detoxify the skin and improve its overall health. Studies have shown that moringa extract can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation and pollution, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a youthful and glowing complexion. There are several ways to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. Moringa powder is a convenient and versatile option that can be added to smoothies, soups, or stir-fries. You can also consume moringa in the form of capsules or tablets. If you prefer to eat your greens, fresh moringa leaves can be added to salads or used as a garnish for soups and stews. No matter how you choose to eat it, moringa is a delicious and nutritious way to give your skin the nourishment it needs to thrive. Let's look at some of the key nutrients in moringa and how they benefit the skin. First, vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. Vitamin C also helps with wound healing and collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining the skin's structure and elasticity. Second, vitamin A. Vitamin A is another important nutrient for maintaining healthy skin. It helps with cell growth and differentiation, which is essential for skin renewal and repair. Vitamin A also helps regulate oil production in the skin, making it an important nutrient for preventing acne. Third, iron. Iron is a mineral that is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. When the body is deficient in iron, it can lead to anemia, which can cause pale skin. Iron also helps support the immune system, which is important for protecting the body from harmful bacteria and other pathogens that can cause skin infections. Fourth, calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is important for maintaining healthy bones and teeth, but it also plays a role in maintaining healthy skin. Calcium helps with wound healing and tissue repair, and it also helps regulate sebum production in the skin, making it important for preventing acne and other skin problems. Fifth, potassium. Potassium is a mineral that is important for maintaining fluid balance in the body. When the body is deficient in potassium, it can lead to dehydration, which can cause dry skin. Potassium also helps maintain healthy blood pressure, which is important for maintaining healthy blood flow to the skin. We've covered the key nutrients in moringa, but how exactly does it work to transform your skin? Moringa contains a variety of bioactive compounds that work together to improve skin health. These compounds include phenolic compounds, glucosinolates, and isothiocyanates. Together, these compounds help reduce inflammation, promote collagen synthesis, and protect the skin from environmental damage. For example, one study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that moringa leaf extract was able to reduce the production of inflammatory mediators, such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes, which can contribute to skin inflammation and acne. Another study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that topical application of moringa seed oil improved the appearance of wrinkles and roughness in dry, irritated skin. These studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of moringa may help improve skin health and appearance. It's important to note that while moringa can provide many benefits for the skin, it is not a cure-all and should be used as part of a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms by which moringa works to improve skin health and the optimal dosage for achieving these benefits. Despite the need for more research, the available evidence suggests that moringa is a promising natural remedy for improving skin health. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties make it an ideal candidate for use in skincare products or as a dietary supplement. Now that you know how moringa can improve your skin, it's time to learn how to incorporate it into your diet. One easy way to add moringa to your diet is to start your day with a healthy smoothie. Blend together a handful of fresh moringa leaves, banana, almond milk, and a spoonful of yogurt for a nutrient-packed breakfast that will fuel your body and your skin. You can also use moringa powder in smoothies for convenience. Just a teaspoon of moringa powder can provide a boost of nutrients and flavor. For a savory meal, add chopped fresh moringa leaves to soups and stews for a unique, slightly bitter flavor that complements many dishes. Moringa is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of recipes, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what you like best. Whether you choose to eat fresh or dried, adding moringa to your diet is a simple yet effective way to nourish your skin from the inside out. Remember that incorporating moringa into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. When it comes to achieving healthy and glowing skin, it's also important to maintain a balanced diet. Stay hydrated and protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays. By following these tips and using moringa as a natural remedy, you can unlock the secret to radiant skin and improve your overall health and well-being. And there you have it, the one food that can truly transform your skin. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the incredible benefits of moringa. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and family so they, too, can benefit from this superfood. At Brand Name, we are committed to bringing you the best health and wellness tips and product recommendations. We believe that everyone deserves to live a life they love, and that starts with feeling good from the inside out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. How to reverse fatty liver symptoms before it's too late. Fatty liver disease is becoming more and more common with each passing year, especially since the start of the pandemic. This is due to several factors, including the unhealthy foods that we are constantly consuming, the lack of physical activity, and also the high stress levels that we all face in our daily lives. Today, in this video, I'm going to share with you some simple yet highly effective tips that will help you reverse fatty liver symptoms naturally without medication. So if you want to reduce your risk of developing a fatty liver, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Also, before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on any future updates from us. And lastly, please hit the like button if you are ready to begin. Let's start with what causes fatty liver. The liver is an essential organ in the human body which plays a vital role in filtering toxins and producing bile to aid in digestion. However, when too much fat accumulates in the liver, it can lead to inflammation and scar tissue formation, which is known as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, hepatitis, or NASH. Several factors can contribute to the development of fatty liver disease, including obesity, high levels of fructose consumption, insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, diabetes, high cholesterol levels, genetic factors, and exposure to certain medications or toxins. The symptoms of fatty liver disease are often subtle in the early stages and may go unnoticed for years. However, as the condition progresses, it can cause discomfort or pain in the upper right abdomen, yellowing of the skin or eyes, swelling in the legs or ankles, changes in stools such as clay, colored stools or floating stools, and the formation of spider angiomas. In addition, fatty liver disease can cause fatigue, weakness, difficulty concentrating, and changes in mood or behavior. If left untreated, fatty liver disease can lead to more serious complications, such as cirrhosis, which is scarring of the liver tissue, as well as increasing the risk of liver cancer. Fortunately, there are steps that you can take to prevent and manage fatty liver disease and improve your overall health. Let's get started with the first tip. Tip number 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, particularly visceral fat, which is the fat stored around the organs in the abdomen, has been linked to the development of fatty liver disease. Losing even a small amount of weight can have a significant impact on reducing fat from your liver. To achieve this, you can set realistic weight loss goals, incorporate regular exercise into your routine, and follow a balanced diet rich in nutrients. By making these changes, you can reduce your risk of developing fatty liver disease and improve your overall health. Tip number 2. Reduce sugar and fructose intake. As mentioned earlier, high fructose consumption has been associated with an increased risk of fatty liver disease. Fructose is a type of sugar found in many processed foods and drinks, including soda, juice, honey, and high fructose corn syrup. Reducing your intake of these items can help lower the amount of fat in your liver. To achieve this, you can read food labels carefully. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks and opt for healthier alternatives such as fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. By doing so, you can not only reduce your sugar intake, but also provide your body with essential nutrients. Tip number 3. Increase soluble fiber intake. Soluble fiber is a type of dietary fiber that dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system. This can help slow down the absorption of sugar and other harmful substances, reducing the strain on your liver. Foods high in soluble fiber include oats, beans, lentils, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help improve liver health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. You can start by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds to smoothies or yogurt and work your way up from there. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your digestive system. Tip No. 4. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining good liver health. When your body is dehydrated, it can cause the liver to become sluggish, leading to a buildup of toxins and waste products. This can exacerbate the symptoms of fatty liver disease and make it harder for your body to break down and eliminate harmful substances. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day to keep your liver functioning optimally. You can also consider using a water filter to remove any impurities or toxins that may be present in your tap water. If you find it difficult to drink plain water, you can add slices of lemon or cucumber to infuse your water with a pleasant flavor. Tip number 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. And it is no exception when it comes to liver health. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat production and fat deposits in the liver. Additionally, sleep deprivation can cause hormonal imbalances, including higher levels of insulin, which can also contribute to fatty liver disease. To ensure you get enough sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool can all help promote better sleep habits. Tip number 6. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on liver health, leading to increased fat accumulation in the organ. When you are stressed, your body releases hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, which can cause changes in your metabolism and affect the way your liver processes fat. To manage stress effectively, engage in regular exercise. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation, and ensure you are getting enough sleep. Taking breaks and vacations when needed can also help reduce stress levels. By managing stress, you can help maintain a healthy liver and reduce the risk of developing fatty liver disease. Tip number 7. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are detrimental to liver health and can exacerbate the symptoms of fatty liver disease. Tobacco smoke contains harmful chemicals that can damage liver cells and impair the liver's ability to metabolize toxins. Excessive alcohol consumption, on the other hand, puts a strain on the liver, leading to inflammation and the formation of scar tissue. To improve liver health, it is essential to quit smoking and limit alcohol intake. You can seek support from friends and family, or join a support group to help you quit smoking. Additionally, consulting a healthcare professional about alcohol consumption can help you develop a plan to reduce your intake gradually. Tip number 8. Consider supplements. In addition to making dietary and lifestyle changes, you may also want to consider taking supplements to support your liver health. Milk thistle is an herb that has been used for centuries to treat liver conditions. It is believed to help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and other harmful substances. Another supplement that has shown promise in treating fatty liver disease is choline. Choline is a nutrient that is essential for the production of bile, which helps the liver break down and eliminate fat. You can also consider taking supplements such as vitamin D, B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved liver health. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as they can interact with medications or have other side effects. By following these tips, you can take proactive steps to support your liver health and reduce the risk of developing fatty liver disease. Remember that making sustainable lifestyle changes is crucial for long-term success. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. With consistent effort, you can improve your liver health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. And lastly, please hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Take care and see you in our next video.